All right, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys the K-Tune shifter. It's the BD Extreme, I think, and it sits back the shifter a bit, so it helps out from the B swap to the like an OEM EK two-door, not the EM1, but I don't know what you would call it, but it's just a you know, stock D series B18C swap. I'll show you guys. If you guys are older viewers, you would see this on my channel often, but we've just now been diving deeper into it, and I'll show you guys what we got going on with it. I believe Debo's already out here. Yes, the car, it looks like it's about to flip over. Don't know why that is, but yeah, we'll show you guys what's going on. All right, why is it like this? You have what? Why is it one side higher than the other? Oh, you already put it in?
No.
Oh.
I just took off the center console.
Yeah. Yeah, I watched the All Day Anthony video.
Oh, really? Yeah, I saw it too. He had to grind off of, what was it, a weighting?
Yeah, but that's not, because his was a D series shift linkage. The shift linkages are different between series.
Yeah, this one looks like it has more space.
Yeah. So, do you think you're gonna have to remove the exhaust?
No.
Also, the K-Tune sticker. Where do you think you're gonna put it? On the back windshield or over here?
Yeah, I think on this little window would be pretty cool.
Yeah, that's some race car shit.
When did he get married?
Who got married?
He's married and he's deployed? Fuck.
Dude, he has 3 kids.
He has 3 kids? What?
He's a stepdad.
When did he have kids?
He's a stepdad. The girl had kids.
Oh my god. Is she in the Marines too?
No, she's just, I don't know what she
Dancing dragon stickers.
That's fucking crazy.
OGs or no.
flagged it, bro. I thought you'd be married.
Alright, this is the interior. I'm trying to hold this so I don't hit my car.
Oh, yeah. I was gonna tell you to move your car.
Yeah.
down a little.
But if you guys, gloomy, naughty, grizzly, Vertex steering wheel, Works Bell hub, and a Works Bell quick release, and then a single din that is ginormous. I don't like this. He says he likes it. But you got dice, and then we had where's the old shifter, the one that I broke?
The extension is right here. It was up on eBay or Amazon.
Yeah, so this is like a K-Tune clone. And I went from first to second and it broke right away. Like my second shift driving this, it broke. So I'm banging gears, dude. But we got the K-Tune series, that's the circuit or Series X, I think. But yeah. So we'll put this in. I think we're gonna put, I told him we should put the jack stands to the front. That beeping is so annoying. So put it to the front.
If I die, bro, just...
Debo is determined to do it like this.
Bro, I'll just deadlift the car off you, it's fine.
You could probably.
Exactly. I'll just run a second my belt real quick.
You don't,
I'm gonna be dead by
No, bro, I'm flat. I'm quick. Fuck that, I don't even need a belt.
I don't know why you lifted it like this.
I'm gonna change it.
Okay.
Okay, you wanna lift it? You wanna get the jack and change it?
Why'd you take the pad off? Oh. Alright, so this is how we decided to do this. It's fine, I guess. I just turned it all the way to the right, so it will hold.
I just don't want this shit to shoot out, bro.
Yo, what the hell is going on? Who's he in the car with? What the hell?
Interesting.
Interesting. So, yeah, so it's on the jack stand and jack. And
Where are you gonna put the other jack?
just under there. We'll put it over the wheel. Like that.
Slanted?
Yeah. Alright, you know you have to take off, right?
Oh yes, bro.
Alright, and
Oh, my boy all day Anthony hooked it up.
your boy, I'll let him know.
Yeah, let him know, man.
I'll hit him up tonight. Be like, yo, all day Anthony. We love you. This is crispy.
I'm just looking at what I'm gonna need.
Okay. I think the support bolt is like a 14.
We'll send me slick soon.
Semi slicks. We're trying to get semi slicks for this thing. Woo! Almost lost a sandal. Get the West Lakes off this. You guys are drift boys. You guys know about the West Lakes. Right now, Evo is taking out the stabilizer bolt, I think it's called. Basically the front part of the linkage. You gotta raise it?
Oh, I'm too small.
Oh.
Hey, can you see it?
Yeah, toss it. Oh, I don't even know if it's a 10, but bro, why didn't you just bring it around?
Do you have an impact under there?
No, it's not gonna fit. I might use an impact from the top though. I'm just taking off those 3 bolts that hold the.
Oh,
shifter.
no, you don't need to take those off yet.
I just want to see the size. I don't need to take those off.
No, there's 2 behind. There's like a 2 bolts behind it, and it's like on a rubber thing.
Oh yeah, I see that.
You gotta take those off. You don't need to take the 3 off yet.
All right, I see those.
Yeah.
Yo, can you have? Actually, let me see.
You're gonna need an extension.
Extension.
Yeah, it's part of
Yeah.
it.
You want to hand me a 1/4-inch extension?
Can you grab a 1/4-inch extension?
How long?
Just long.
Like 12 inches.
And then can you hand me a?
So about the size of my cock.
Oh my god.
And doing what?
Nah, nothing.
So just removing that. It's unbolted over here. So there's just a front bolt, and it's gonna fall down. Since it's a D series, you have to do a little modification. See, it moves around. But yeah, B series, you do a little modification. You want me to hold it up
No,
to
I don't need you.
fit? Oh my god. Now you don't need me.
Rusty as you can get.
This rubber's not that bad.
It's fine.
Yeah, that's where the bushings would go. You'd feel like right here.
This one ain't that bad either, right?
Yeah, that rubber looks pretty new.
Okay.
No, it does.
Oh.
Like it doesn't look bad. So there's the 3. Take these off.
But look how cheap this feels.
I know. It's the one, like the one I had in my my hatch. Wait, isn't there 3 on the new one?
Yeah.
Why is there 2?
There's a D series one.
I'm confused. Wait,
You don't think it's gonna fit?
I don't know, dude. That's weird. I thought it was always.
As long as this fits, I don't really care if it's 3 or 2 bolts.
Yeah, it looks like it will. I mean,
Hopefully.
yeah, or we can just drill them.
God damn. Even holding it so hard.
It's just spinning.
Smallest size I
Grab another 10. We get the 10 3/8 on the other side.
don't know where the. Damn, it's hot.
I thought it would have 3, but it only looks like there's 2. I mean, it does look like the right linkage, but there's only 2 bolts. I mean, normally we'd clean this up, paint it black, but trying to get this done fast. And right now we're taking the top part of the shifter off.
The washers, yeah. Didn't I have that?
It only has 1 bolt hole.
Just getting scraped.
They only have 2 bolt holes. Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
So I guess normally you would drill out the 3rd. Something like that.
I don't think it needs it.
It's just, I looked it up. I watched the K-Tune video also. This is just for extra stabilizing. Yeah, but I would have the top part facing towards the cab, like that here.
I wonder how this goes.
I don't know. How long is that? You think just the washer goes through here?
That's where
Or
he had it.
that like insert and then the washers? That's kind of long though.
That's probably what these spacers are for.
Yeah.
I don't know.
The spacer goes in the middle though. Something like that. Is that bent?
What?
The other arm?
Yeah. It's factory bent. I gotta put some. I'll charge it for you. You can hold it right there.
Holding.
I'm gonna put the bolts in. They're aftermarket bolts. Yeah, don't pull it too much.
Connecting the final piece of the puzzle, and then we can see how this thing shifts. I mean, already the concern was hitting the console and then this with that shifter, the old one, but this is, it pulls it back a lot, so it helps. It helps. So I don't know if you guys remember in like older videos where we were driving this and it was hitting the front. That's one of the biggest reasons we got this. It was hitting the front.
It wouldn't tighten all the way here to it. Shit.
Yeah, this is perfect. Like I would just drive it like this. Want to take it for a rip before you put the other thing on? Take her for a ripperoni.
Not really.
Got it. Look all the way forward. Perfect. And you can lower it too if that's too high.
is perfect right here. Want to put this one?
Yeah, I'll put that one too. Hold on.
I'll say so you can line it up perfect.
Transfer paper sticking to the car. All right. Your first sticker, other than Dancing Dragons.
Fire. I'll put in this one.
Anywhere.
I'll put this one next. Yeah, that's just amazing.
Where's that? Clean. You can make a turbo louder than your exhaust. Alright, so we're happy with the product. That's the final. We really enjoy it. Alright, K-Tune, we love you. Can't wait to put this on like one of my EFs or something. That's really short too. I'm gonna try to go with third. I think that's third. That's fourth. Yeah. It's a little to get used to because it's so tall for me. I like it shorter, like Subaru. But I mean, if I had something like that, I'd lower it. But you know, Devo's big, you know, he got the big arms. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a like. Might do some driving later on after this portion. But if you guys enjoyed, subscribe. We do semi-daily uploads, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Like the video if you enjoyed, and comment down below what else you guys want to see on the channel. I have a drift car and a daily, or 2 dailies. I don't know what I want to do with the vert, but got a lot planned for my other 2 cars, or one of my other cars. But start contacting dealers or companies, and we'll see. We'll get something going. But